Hello beautiful people, you are warmly welcome back to the channel. So guys, this is a quick order fulfillment that I am going to be showing you guys. A customer has ordered for my niacinamide body and face cream. I have done these severally on this platform, and I also have a recipe for those who are members who have joined my membership. They have this recipe. So this is coming from a customer who has ordered these, and I thought of it. I was like, okay, let me bring you guys along. So we are going to be doing 3,000 batch of my niacinamide body and face brightening cream. And because I have done these severally on this platform, I didn't want to repeat those. So as you can see, I am starting from the water and the oils, where I am combining both together. And now this is the consistency that we have going on. It's now the temperature is okay for me to add the rest of my cool down phase. So I'm just going to take measurement and I'm going to add those to the formulation, and then check the pH level for this cream, and we are good to go. If you want to know the detail of this, guys, go and join my membership, where you will get the recipe and you have step by step method of making your own brightening cream at home. This cream is very effective and it will make your skin glow. That's what I use personally, so I know what I'm saying. Nobody buys this cream and never come back. All my customers keep recommending this product to others. And as I've said, this is from a customer and she is going to repurpose this by selling. So I am not going to be adding any labels to this. I'm just going to post it to her this way. So she's going to add her own label to it. If you are watching and you are interested in such business, I can make your products for you, and you can just put your name on your containers or on your product. You are going to own this product. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to bore you. I just want to bring you guys along, and in this stage I'm just going to give my pinky lovely color to this, and I'm trying to blend all the cool down with the first phases, just to be sure of everything well combined. You can also choose to use your spatula, but this place, because I want everything to be well combined, I prefer using the hand stick. So that's it. Just enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in my next video. Remember guys, to like this video. All I need from you is your support. Like this video, share this video, and also comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you would like to make this product, or if you would like to purchase this product. Anyway, I sell this product, so I'm going to leave the link below this video. If you want to order it, I ship worldwide. I will just ship to you, and yes, you don't have a problem. You don't have to go through all the stress buying all the ingredients. I have in this video the small size and the big size. That's what she ordered for. So yes, just get the link if you want to try this, and get maybe the small size and try it and see if it's something that you will go for the bigger size. Thank you once again, and I will see you in my next video. Shalom, peace, bye bye, and enjoy the rest of the video.